Please step into the coaster as quickly and safely as possible, pulling your harness down to your waist and buckling your safety belt.
Por favor, entre a la montaña rusa lo más rápido y precavido posible. Bajen sus barras de seguridad hasta su cintura y pónganse los cinturones de seguridad.
Scanner platform. Platform clear to fast.
Alright, here we go. A redux of the front row on Shikra because someone was sticking their legs high in the video. But I'm not gonna yell at them. I'm not like some people. You just go back and ride again. Besides, that means more rides. Downtown Tampa from over there. That's pretty cool. We needed a redo in the front anyway. My last front row ride sucked.
Oh, shit.
Let's go. Oh. There's the head chopper right there. Good. Is it better than Griffon? I don't think so. I think Griffon is the better dive coaster. And then Valravn, we'll have to find out next time we go to Cedar Point.
As the coaster comes to a complete stop, unbuckle your safety belt, lift up on your safety harness, and watch your step as you exit to your left, taking all personal belongings with you. Thank you and enjoy your day here at Busch Gardens.